This, my friends, is the new Tesla CyberTruck, and here are the top 5 things you need to know. First things first, the design. It is polarising. Everyone keeps on using this word because it is. You either love it or you hate it. From the rugged wheels and the angular design, looks like it came straight up from Mars in an alternate universe. Me personally, I love it and I'm all here for it, but do tell me what you guys think in the comments below. It will be interesting to see what everyone's take on this is. There are 3 models, the single motor which is capable of 0 to 60 in less than 6.5 seconds, the mid-dual motor can perform it in less than 4.5 seconds, and the high-end model which is a triple motor can produce power and go to 0 to 60 in less than 2.9 seconds. Now let that sink in. This is essentially a pickup truck performing as a sports car or even better in some cases. As far as range goes, the single motor can travel to a distance of 250 plus miles, the dual can go 300 plus miles, and the triple motor packs in a whopping 500 plus miles. It's built with an exoskeleton, as Tesla says, that is durable, has strength and endurance for the long term. It's made out of ultra hard, cold, rolled stainless steel which can help protect passengers and eliminate damage and corrosion over the long term. The windows are made out of ultra strong glass, Tesla armor glass, that can absorb and redirect force. Despite it going wrong in the demo, I'm sure they'll fix in post, Inside, continuing with the cyber look, it is minimal. There's a total of 6 seats, some extra storage underneath the second row seats, a 17-inch touchscreen interface much like the Model 3 but bigger and presumably better, and a redesign of the wheel much like the Tesla Roadster. The CyberTruck is expected to be available by 2021 and early 2022. Orders are now available with pricing starting from $40,000 for the single motor and ranging up to $70,000 for the high-end model. This is CapShan, producing content every single day. If you all ain't subscribed, what are you doing? Like and subscribe. Peace!